This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Den 26 EV all-electric unit is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 2 inches in length and features a Bryce Canyon interior. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Den 26 EV all-electric unit is 4,425 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.